In Avowed, the save game files and configuration files are typically stored in specific directories on your PC. Here's where you can find them. 1. Save game files. The save game files for Avowed are usually located in the following folder: C:\users \appdata \local /avowed /saved replace with your actual Windows username. App data is a hidden folder, so you might need to enable hidden files and folders in File Explorer. To enable hidden files and folders, press Win+E to open File Explorer. Click on the View tab in the ribbon and check Hidden Items. Inside the Save folder, you'll find your Save Games folder, where the actual game save files are stored. Configuration files for Avowed configuration files, you can typically find them in C:\users \documents \mygames \avowed. Here you'll find the config or settings files where you can modify game settings, such as graphics, controls, etc.